Imagine the rhythmic chug of a steam engine, the primal roar of a locomotive. We've come a long way since the first trains. Join us as we journey through time and uncover the stories behind these iconic trains that have shaped the world of rail travel. Today, let's step back in time and explore the 5 oldest trains in the world. Join us as we journey through time and uncover the stories behind these iconic trains that have shaped the world of rail travel. These remarkable railways have stood the test of time, bearing witness to the evolution of transportation and leaving an indelible mark on history. 1. Puffing Billy. Puffing Billy, built in 1813. This steam locomotive, hailing from the United Kingdom, was initially used to haul coal. With its simple, yet groundbreaking design, Puffing Billy paved the way for the railway revolution. It is generally accepted the world's first steam railway locomotive was built by Cornish mining engineer Richard Trevithick at Coalbrookdale in 1802, but it was, as far as can be ascertained, never demonstrated in public, and it is believed few people ever saw it. His locomotive Salamanca was the world's first commercially successful steam locomotive on the first commercially successful steam railway, which led to the colliery's profits soaring within 2 years thanks to its modern transport taking coals to market. Before we continue, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. 2. Starbridge Lion. Starbridge Lion, America's oldest locomotive. Built in 1829, its first run was more of a crawl, but it showcased the potential of steam power and the future of American transportation. It takes its name from the lion's face painted on the front and Starbridge in England, where it was manufactured by the firm Foster, Rastrick and Company in 1829. The locomotive performed well in its first test in August 1829, but was found to be too heavy for the track and was never used for its intended purpose of hauling coal wagons. During the next few decades, a number of parts were removed from the abandoned locomotive until only the boiler and a few other components remained. 3. The Adler. The Adler, a German gem from 1835. The Adler wasn't just a train, it was a symbol of German industrialization, a testament to the country's engineering prowess. Was the first locomotive that was successfully used commercially for the rail transport of passengers and goods in Germany. The railway vehicle was designed and built in 1835 by the British railway pioneers George and Robert Stephenson in the English city of Newcastle. The Adler is often cited as the very first locomotive used by a railway company on German soil, but as early as 1816 a serviceable steam locomotive was designed by the Royal Prussian Steelworks in Berlin. It ran officially for the first time there on December 7, 1835. 4. Fairy Queen. The Fairy Queen, also known as the East Indian Railway No. 22, is a steam locomotive which was built in 1855. It was restored by Loco Works Parambar, Chennai in 1997 and housed at the Rewari Railway Heritage Museum. The train occasionally runs between New Delhi and Alwar. In 1998 it was listed in the Guinness Book of Records as the world's oldest steam locomotive in regular service. The Fairy Queen runs on the same route as the Palace on Wheels, the tourist train launched in 1982, and was awarded the National Tourism Award in 1999. The locomotive was built by Kitson, Thomson and Hewitson of England and worked on passenger and freight services for more than 55 years. 5. Tom Thumb. Tom Thumb was the first American-built steam locomotive to operate on a common carrier railroad. It was designed and constructed by Peter Cooper in 1829 to convince owners of the newly formed Baltimore and Ohio Railroad to use steam engines. The Tom Thumb, an 1830 creation from the United States. Small but mighty, this locomotive showed that steam could hold its own against horse-drawn carriages, setting the stage for the railway boom. These trains have witnessed the unfolding of history. They've carried people, goods, ideas, sparking innovation and connecting nations. They've transformed landscapes and shaped civilizations. They've transformed landscapes and shaped civilizations. Puffing Billy, a testament to the dawn of the railway era. Its legacy continues in the trains that crisscross the British Isles today. The Starbridge Lion, a symbol of the American pioneering spirit. Its descendants now span a continent, embodying progress and ambition. The Adler, a beacon of German precision and quality. It set the standard for engineering excellence that still resonates today. The Fairy Queen, a celebration of India's rich heritage. Its spirit lives on in the trains that weave through the subcontinent. And the Tom Thumb, proof that size doesn't matter. It demonstrated the power of steam and laid the foundation for the American railway system. As we journey through the annals of railway history, we see these trains as more than just modes of transport. They are time capsules, capturing the essence of their era, reflecting societal advancements and human ingenuity. They are the tangible threads of our shared history, connecting the past to the present. So, the next time you board a train, take a moment to appreciate the rich history that has brought us here. The journey, after all, is as important as the destination. Until next time, keep exploring.